Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to turn off auto-update apps on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or to the another mobile data. And now just here on the right upper corner tap to the this icon. Also you can have that here on the left upper corner, and go to the settings. Now just tap to the network preferences and click auto-update apps, and switch the over Wi-Fi only to the don't auto-update apps. And just to confirm changes, tap here to done, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.